Good morning, professors, scholars, researchers, students, and attendees. My name is Ayushi from REPA, Research and Education Promotion Association. On behalf of the Conference Organizing Committee, I am here to welcome and extend a sincere thanks for joining us at today's session. The REPA, Research and Education Promotion Association, is proud to host and organize this international conference that covers recent research and development in sustainable development. The organizing team of Impactful Endeavour towards Sustainability Outreach, IETSO 2020, is excited to hold an esteemed international conference covering the day's demanded topic, Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, a challenging time of COVID-19 pandemic which caused to ignore in-person participation. The IETSO 2020 International Conference welcomes keynote speakers with a notable imprint in the field, scholars, researchers, and worldwide to present their research and bestow new thoughts. REPA organizing team would like to extend its heartfelt thanks to the keynote speakers, scholars, researchers, participants, sponsors, donors, and all stakeholders for their support. We hope to have your continued support at our upcoming conferences as well. REPA is a not-for-profit and non-political association owned by a team of dedicated international researchers and scholars from more than 10 countries. It has several operational units throughout the world. REPA owes its success to the bold declaration of elite scholar support globally. We rely on available opportunities to contribute towards humanity at the national and international levels. Since its initiation in 2012 is cooperating with different national and international entities and official registration as an independent association in 2019 in Japan, REPA has been dedicated to expanding and sharing knowledge, inspiring innovation, and preserving cultural and ensuring sustainability objectives for the future generations. Our mission is transforming opportunities into realities through the delivery of innovative and viable research and education services. Also, as part of the REPA commitments towards sustainable development promotion, it sponsors international conferences around the world within the sustainable development theme. If your university or institution is interested in holding an international conference, please contact us to put forward with global sustainability outreach. Once again, thank you for your collaboration, participation, and friendship. Enjoy the rest of the conference.